Here at the Desert Orthopedic Center, we treat a variety of orthopedic problems. Anywhere from trauma, fractures, tears of ligaments and tendons, to arthritic conditions, shoulder, elbow, knee, hip arthritis, using regenerative medicine to treat some of these issues as well.
Dr. Ahmed is very compassionate and treated me with dignity and respect.
He is such a nice, understanding person. He listens to everything. He lets you talk, and then he explains everything that he's going to be doing.
When you're talking to a doctor, sometimes it's a little bit confusing with those long words, but he definitely broke it down into layman's terms for me. He was the only one that I felt comfortable with.
He makes them feel at home to discuss what their symptoms are and how their care is going. So I think that's been the biggest thing I have seen in working with him, is that he's able to make the patient feel comfortable and secure, and so then their outcome is better.
It's actually enjoyable, it's fun. I'm meeting people and interacting with them. Sure, we're doing some medical stuff on the background, but it's mostly meeting with them, talking, discussing, and it's, we find out how well they're doing. It's not a lot of jobs where you get to have fun just talking and meeting people.
I had an injury where I suffered trauma and I shattered my left hip, and he did a total hip replacement, and I was out of the hospital the next day.
I couldn't even walk before the operation, and after 3 weeks after surgery, I never had an ounce of pain ever again.
They have given me a trust of letting me operate on them. It's a bond that can't be broken. So our post-operative patients, they can show up anytime they want. They are welcomed if they have a problem to come in, call, whatever is necessary to make sure that they know they have continuous access to us at all times. If we have our doors open, you can walk right in.
This is the doctor to go to. I'm like so happy with him. I'm a dancer, so I'm going to go back to dancing. I'm a bowler, I'm going to go back to bowling and tennis and all activities that I love. And more importantly, being a female, I like wearing heels. And I'll be able to wear heels again.
I went from being in a walker, barely able to walk. Now I've been to Disneyland, I've been to Germany. I went to Germany for 4 weeks last summer. Walked everywhere, walked 2, 3, 4 miles a day. And that's all post-surgery.
I just tell them, look at this, I do it, and I just do my shadow boxing and say, I'm back. I'm back, yes, thanks to Dr. Ahmed.
That's literally the reason why I'm here. I want to make sure that I make a difference in people's lives. And honestly, a lot of these people have been searching. They've been searching for something, the right fit, the right person, the right surgeon to treat their issues. Once they get here, and we go through whatever process we have to, whether it's a simple process or a complicated, long, drawn-out process, at the end of it, that experience for them has to be good and the outcomes have to be good.